Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a light, delicious, and truly spring-inspired salad. If you're looking to get back in shape, fill your body with vitamins, and spend minimal time in the kitchen, this recipe is perfect for you. It works great as a light dinner or a quick, healthy lunch. For this salad, you'll need iceberg lettuce, fresh cherry tomatoes, canned tuna, and for the dressing, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, some salt, and black pepper. And at the end, we'll top it off with thin slices of flavorful Parmesan cheese. I already have mine sliced into flakes, which makes it super convenient to use. I'm making 2 servings. I'll start by taking 200 grams of iceberg lettuce and cutting it into small cubes. Of course, feel free to adjust the amount based on your appetite. Iceberg adds a crunchy texture and freshness to the dish, while being very low in calories. It's a great base for any light meal. In fact, iceberg lettuce is about 96% water and contains a good amount of fiber. That combination helps satisfy your hunger without weighing you down, which is why it's often used in healthy eating plans and diet recipes. Now let's move on to the tomatoes. I'm using 200 grams of cherry tomatoes and simply cutting each one in half. They'll give the salad brightness, a slight tang, and natural sweetness. It's also worth mentioning that tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from harmful influences, including UV rays. That's especially helpful in spring and summer when the sun is more intense. Next, we'll add the tuna. I'm using 1 can. Mine is packed in oil, but tuna in its own juice works just as well. You can use chunked or shredded tuna, whatever texture you prefer. There's no wrong choice here. Interestingly, tuna is one of the highest protein canned fish products available. It's also a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, circulation, and even brain function. It's an ideal protein choice for a light and nourishing salad. Now let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. I press in 1 clove of garlic, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and mix everything thoroughly. Lemon juice not only adds freshness, but it also helps your body absorb iron from the tuna. Garlic, on the other hand, has anti-inflammatory properties and supports the immune system, and olive oil provides healthy fats that speed up metabolism and nourish your cells. If you want to boost the flavor even more, feel free to add your favorite herbs and spices. Provençal herbs, dried basil, or a little oregano will work beautifully and give your salad a Mediterranean vibe. Speaking of Provençal herbs, this classic blend usually includes rosemary, thyme, marjoram, and other aromatic plants. They not only enhance flavor, but also support digestion and pair perfectly with fish and cheese. Now let's bring the salad together. Pour the dressing over the salad. Gently toss everything, being careful not to break the tomato halves or the tuna pieces. And finally, sprinkle the top with Parmesan flakes. By the way, did you know that Parmesan isn't just a tasty cheese? It's a culinary icon of Italy. True Parmigiano Reggiano is aged for at least a year, and the best versions are matured for over 2. This aging process gives the cheese a rich, complex flavor and that signature crystalline texture. It's the perfect finishing touch for a salad like this. Here's a little tip. If you'd like the cheese to soften just slightly and release more aroma, leave the salad at room temperature for about 5 minutes before serving. The flavors will come together better, and the scent will be richer. And that's it. The salad is ready. It's light, fresh, satisfying, and full of flavor. You can make it in just a few minutes, and it will fuel you for hours. This is the kind of meal you could enjoy every day. It doesn't get boring, is easy to digest, and keeps you feeling good. This salad is great for anyone who wants to eat healthy without feeling restricted. It's especially nice when paired with light physical activity, like a walk or a workout. A perfect option for spring or early summer. If you liked this recipe, I highly encourage you to try it out. Let me know in the comments what you think and what ingredients you might add. Maybe you have your own favorite dressing or a special twist to this salad. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.